In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable offline Gmail. If you've used Gmail's offline feature and want to turn it off and optionally remove any emails stored on your device, this walkthrough will make it simple and clear. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome. Gmail's offline settings only work in Chrome, and you'll need an active internet connection to change them. Open Gmail in Chrome, then look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. From there, select See All Settings to access the full settings menu. Along the top, find and click the Offline tab. You'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Offline Mail. Uncheck that box to disable the feature. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. Gmail Offline is now turned off, which means Gmail will no longer store new messages for offline access or sync data in the background. Disabling the feature stops future offline access, but any previously downloaded emails may still be stored on your computer. If you want to remove that cached data as well, you can clear it from Chrome's site storage. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then select Cookies and Other Site Data. Choose See All Cookies and Site Data to view what's stored. In the search box, type mail.google.com. You'll see entries related to Gmail. You can delete those to remove the stored offline email data. If you prefer a broader reset, you can choose Remove All. But keep in mind, this clears data for every site, which may sign you out or reset preferences elsewhere. Deleting just the mail.google.com entries is usually the safer, targeted option. A couple of quick notes to keep you on track. You must be online to disable offline mode inside Gmail. The setting isn't available if you're currently offline. After you turn it off, Gmail will function normally with an active internet connection, just like before you enabled offline mail. If you don't see the offline tab, double-check that you're in Google Chrome and signed into the correct Gmail account. In some managed or work environments, administrators may control this setting. That's the full process. Turn off offline mail in Gmail settings and optionally clear the stored data in Chrome if you want to remove what was already saved. Follow these steps, and your Gmail will stop caching emails locally and will only load when you're connected to the internet,